Hiding the stars, I boot up in Converse. She took a half, I left her ass in Miami. She took a head, don't play with me, I left her stranded. I found a number anyway, you say it's Xanax. Betrayal disappoint me, but I leave it at my curtains.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? And we back with another video for y'all boys, man. Check me out. I know it's been a little minute. I know, bro. We sorry, bro. We sorry. Check me out. Y'all see the title. Y'all see where we at. We on that type of time. I ain't gonna lie. If you don't know us, bro, this is the type of shit we do, bro. Y'all probably wondering what the hell I got on my head, bro. Bro, this is just some shit I throw on my head, you know. I'm finna, man, just jig, bro. Just jig, bro. We finna go around moaning and making noise in people's ears, see what they do. You know what I'm saying? We not saying nothing. We just straight on looking at their ass. If you new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, all that, bro. Y'all wanna see us do some other shit? Drop it in the comments, bro. Don't text me on Instagram. Don't text my phone. Put it in the comments, bro. Put it in the comments and we got y'all. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna drag it out too long. We out. We out there.
What happened? What is the problem? What is your problem? I said, what is your problem? What is your problem? Why you coming to make the noise in my house? Why you have to do that in my ear?
Oh, hola. ¿Te conoces? ¿Ah? Oh. ¿Ah? ¿Me conoces? ¿Quién eres? Oh. 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 Oh.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Shit.
Here. Yeah. What else do you? Oh, just. Oh.
Excuse me? You got something wrong?
Oh.
I'm looking for, I think it's like gear, lube, something like that. I don't know, something my dad need me to get. Yeah, some.
Kind of grease or something?
It's like it's like a grease.
All the grease stuff is right here.
Mm. Oh.
What up? You tripping? What you tripping on? Tripping on that good shit?
Oh.
You gotta go. You got your mind. Go, baby, go.
Oh.
Okay. Can I help you with anything?
I work here. I'm a manager here, okay? I'm a manager here. Okay, do you need any help with anything? Do you need help with anything?
Go, baby, go.
Oh.
Did you? There might be a way. Okay. Let me know if I am, alright?
Oh.
Oh, what's up, man? I know you're right. I have a little bit of a memory issue today. Of course I know you, man. Why are you not working?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
What happened? Eh? What happened?
Oh, okay.
You're a great man. You're a great man, okay? What are you doing to this? What are you doing to this? What happened? What happened?
¿Qué está haciendo, muchacho? Juega acá. ¿Qué está haciendo? ¿Vas ahí?
Sí, papi. What's up? Who are you?
What happened? Stop. Mis huevos. ¿Qué pedo? ¿Qué quieres?
Brendel folding on the money right now, y'all boys, man. I don't know what Brendel got going on, but he folding on the money, man. Come tell these people how you folding on the money right now.
I folded heavy.
It come running right now, I know the lawyer paid. You won't catch me in the beaches, niggas know out the way. Them crackers on a nigga talk, they tryna build them a case. I'm 100 miles from Georgia, nigga, just me and